my friggin' god. Oh my. Yo, everyone, welcome to my channel. So you guys must be wondering, who am I? Well, I'm from Jamaica. Greetings from Jamaica. I'm traversing to different parts of the world to learn about new music, new heritage, whether it's beatboxing, whether it's music in general, whether it's just cultural heritage in music. I'm just loving music, right? In my little country, Jamaica, it is just dancehall and reggae only. So this is the reason why I'm traversing to different variation of the world to encounter different music with different people, different style. So I was scrolling through YouTube and I'm a big fan of beatboxing and I've encountered this guy, Petr, Sarancha, Petr, Sarancha. I'm hoping that I'm pronouncing his name correctly. So I'll be reacting to this beatboxing. It's called TRAPDOORBOOM. Very first time knowing of this Petr guy. Welcome everyone. Welcome one and all on board. So with this being said, let's see what Petr Sarancha have in store. Or let's see how talented this man really is in the beatboxing realm. Okay?
TRAPDOORBOOM.
Wow! This guy is smooth as freaking wet glass. What the? Hey! Hey! What the? What? Yo! This guy's smooth, bro. Petr? What the? What the heck? Whoa!
TRAPDOORBOOM.
What an incredible, smooth, heartwarming, sweet, overjoyed beatboxing. TRAPDOORBOOM, bro. What the fuck, bro? Like, this is such a shocker to, bro. Like, this is such a shocker to me. Right? This is a banger, bro. This is a banger beatbox. Right, guys? I haven't heard nothing like this one before. I've heard many. I've heard Terrastating, I've heard Wing, I've heard Hiss, I've heard Improver, I've heard many. But for some reason, this guy entered the mix with such smooth, heartwarming beatboxing, bro. Like, this guy is a mastery at his craft. Fucking he's good. He's actually good. Wow. my friggin' god. Oh my. Wait, what? Wait, what the heck was that, bro? Like, what the actual heck was, like, what the fuck? What was that, bro? Like, what was Guys, look, I am trying to comprehend this at once, but like, how? Like, how? How does he seem so calm and doing this so good? Like, how does he does that? Yo, I'm wondering if this guy is a cheater, bro. Because I'm wondering if there's any music box in the background playing and he's just lip syncing. Because ain't no freaking way this is actually his voice doing all of this mix and mastering craft. Splendid!
TRAPDOORBOOM.
Yo, that is sweet as frig. That is sweet, that is smooth, that is such a great beatboxing, bro. Awesome! Wow! Sweet. That is just sweet, bro. That is just too talented. Petr, it's my first time listening to your beatboxing and I'm literally overwhelmed with joy. Guys, like, I am stunned. Alright? So if you guys enjoyed my reaction, remember to leave a like, subscribe, share this to a friend. You know, thank you so much for stopping by here. I approve you to come back again. Alright? I'll see you guys in another Petr reaction in beatboxing.